The dangerous things. So here we go. Safety rope number 1 is going to go here like this. Hello, don't worry, it can't hurt you. It's a safety rope. Here we go. Hop. Perfect.
like talk like.
I hate What the hell? This is such a Wow, it's beautiful. So beautiful.
Hey.